End it for part 2 because it's about to go in overtime. Playing with a little bit of the slime, so like it's not all sticky. Huh? Yeah. And on Emily's first ever video on the channel, she used
Jiggly.
Oh, that's cool. She used contact solution, but you can't. Contact solution works. Of course it works, but it's not the best activator. It makes it like
look how jiggly it is.
They can't. If you point it up, it will.
No, I was talking to you.
Oh.
Look how jiggly it is.
Yeah, no, I can see it.
So jiggly.
Oh, it's not sticky anymore. This is like a big slime. Do you know where the lid for this is?
No.
Damn it.
Don't do that much because I'm gonna bust it.
You're gonna.
People are probably staring at us.
This is Emily's. It was such like decent. Mine is still sticky.
Mine's not very cookable.
But like,
Oh yeah,
I just need way more airwick. Because I accidentally made a huge batch.
Yeah, you made a huge batch.
Not a huge, but like a large batch.
Quite a big batch.
Yeah.
of
You should
slime.
sell slime.
Honey does, doesn't it?
Yeah, honey. Yeah, that one. So mine's not sticky anymore, and look how fluffy it is.
I need more air.
Hold on, I'm putting it on the floor.
So it's like hurting my fingers.
Is it actually? Do you want me to do yours?
Yeah, the airwick was like
Your fingers?
my fingers.
How is airwick hurting your fingers?
Oh my gosh.
Do you see that bubble?
No.
You didn't. Okay, you know.
You're in the way.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yeah? Look.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. I love this slime.
Well, you can keep it.
Can I actually?
Yeah.
All this.
And I've still got loads of glue left.
Yes, you do. Do you want to make butter slime and see who? Let's have a race to see who makes.
Oh,
Do you want
Do you
to?
know how to make butter slime?
I do. I'll teach you. Basically, you put glue, then you put cornstarch,
Yeah.
and then you just. It's fine. I'll put it on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna quickly show you guys my slime. Is that alright? Then I will show you Emily's slime.
No, I will.
Yeah. Okay, so this is my slime. Oh, don't touch the towel, please. And it's like really fluffy, if you can't already tell. It's like really cool, I like it.
It's quite sticky. My one is quite sticky.
I don't think mine's not that sticky. Did you hear that? At first, are you enjoying this, or do you think it's boring? Emily? Like downstairs, because we made. Oh, the plan came off. I've written a huge plan on my hand for what we're doing tonight. First was Minecraft video, which short failed, and then it was slime video, then other stuff after that,
And stuff.
and other stuff. I'm gonna add a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of like this in. It's fine. Because like mine's a bit tough anyway, so it'll be fine. I like the colour.
Kind of sticky.
Yeah, actually. Do you want to add some more? It's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna try. Oh, I just made a bubble. Did I actually?
Yeah.
It's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna
So you just made it
try.
even more sticky.
I can't make a bubble. I don't know why. It's not that clicky. It's not that clicky. Oh damn it! No, it's on my trousers. Sugars, please get off. It's off.
We're having dinner in the living room. Like on the floor.
Are we?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
If you want, we can have it on the floor.
Yeah, it's fine, don't mind. Is that what you normally have for dinner?
No. No one really goes to the
Oh.
Because you've got the kitchen.
And Matilda. Okay, I'm going to try and make it square because I just give up.
Pause it. Pause it, pause it.
So basically we've got to go have dinner now. So we'll be back when we've had dinner. Okay. It's back from dinner. Are you coming in? And oh, sorry. We were gonna do butter slime, but I'm not sure if we're still doing that. Are we still doing that?
I'm not.
Okay. I'm gonna teach Jenny how to make butter slime. She's not actually gonna be making it. Because you don't know how to make butter slime, do you? No. So I'm gonna teach her how to make butter slime. That's not going to be on video because there's no point. Can I pass your pot here? Can you pass my Reese's? You've got Reese minis, they're on the toilet. You both got a Reese minis. Thank you.
I've got my own pack.
Huh?
Got my own pack. I want to use the mastic number.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Emily, bye.
Next slide.